How to delete APK files on the Android. So if at the end of the day you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete APK files on Android, all you need to do is go ahead and search for files. Then you should see my files. Under my files, just search through the navigation. You should see install files under APK. Click on it and then hang on for your phone to search for APK files. Click on the directory to see all the APK files you have. Now to delete the APK files, you can just delete them one after the other and then click on move to trash. Or better still, if you have multiple of them, click on the three dots at top right. Click on select. Check all at the top left. Click on delete all at the bottom right. Click on move to trash. Then to delete them permanently, you need to go back to the files page. Click on trash. Click on the three dots at top right. Click on empty trash. Then click on delete. That's it. That's going to help to delete APK files on your Android phone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.